Today we will show how to buy shares of Alto Neuroscience Inc., a clinical stage biotech company developing psychiatric treatments listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ANRO. This is an educational demonstration only and not financial advice. Investing carries risks and outcomes are uncertain. To buy ANRO, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ANRO to locate Alto Neuroscience Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company description and the live price chart for ANRO. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker match Alto Neuroscience Inc. before proceeding. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review order details, such as order type and any fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next session. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. After the trade executes, your ANRO position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to visit the platform.